What if I told you that the reason so many men over 60 struggle in the morning, the weakness, the lack of drive, the softer performance, isn't just aging, but the simple mistake of drinking the wrong thing before bed? Imagine waking up strong, clear, and ready to perform like the man you used to be just because of one glass the night before. That may sound shocking, but it's the truth. I'm Dr. Mojit Kara, a urologist and men's health specialist with more than 30 years of experience helping men restore their vitality. I've treated thousands of patients who thought decline was inevitable, only to discover that small, consistent changes gave them back their strength, their energy, and their confidence. Here's the paradox. Most men believe they need testosterone therapy, miracle pills, or expensive supplements. Yet often those quick fixes fail or even cause harm. The surprising reality is that the real solution has been sitting in your kitchen all along. It's natural, safe, and backed by science to fuel your body while you sleep so that your mornings feel brand new. So let me make you a promise. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly what to drink before bed if you're over 60 and want super strong performance by morning. Not just better sleep, but deeper energy, clearer focus, and yes, firmer confidence in every sense of the word. And stay with me, because I'll also share the timing that makes it work, the men who should avoid it, and the powerful success stories I've seen firsthand. Once you hear this, you'll never look at your nightly routine the same way again. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another health tip designed especially for men over 60. And I'd love your feedback. If this video helps you, type 1 in the comments. If it doesn't, type 0 so I know how to improve and bring you even more value next time. Now, let's begin with the first truth every man over 60 needs to understand. The changes you feel, lower energy, weaker mornings, fading drive, are not random. They're the direct result of testosterone decline, and unless you address it, your performance will keep slipping year after year. 1. The problem men face after 50 to 60. Gentlemen, let me be honest with you because I've seen this story unfold in my office far too many times. A man sits across from me. He's in his early 60s, sometimes 70. He looks healthy on the outside, but his eyes tell me the truth. He feels weaker in the morning, his drive is lower, his confidence shaken. He says, "Doc, I just don't feel like myself anymore." And what he doesn't realize is that this isn't just about getting older. It's about what time has been quietly stealing from him year after year. After the age of 60, the body goes through a silent transformation that many men never talk about. Testosterone, the hormone that fuels strength, stamina, and passion, begins to decline by about 1% every year. At first, it's subtle. You don't notice it immediately. You still get through your day, still go to work, still spend time with your family, but then one morning you wake up and realize something is different. The energy you used to have in your 20s and 30s feels like a distant memory. Your muscles don't respond the same way. Sleep no longer refreshes you. And perhaps most frustrating of all, your performance in the bedroom, the very thing that made you feel like a man, isn't what it used to be. I've seen proud, strong men, veterans, fathers, business owners look at me with worry in their eyes, asking if this means the best part of their life is over. And I always tell them the same thing. Decline is not destiny. The mistake most men make is believing weakness, fatigue, and poor performance are simply the price of aging. But the truth is, your body still has the power to thrive. It just needs the right fuel, the right support, and the right habits, especially at night. Think about it this way. When you were younger, your body could take a beating. Late nights, poor sleep, missed meals, and still bounce back. But after 60, every choice matters more. Your body is less forgiving. If you go to bed dehydrated, stressed, or undernourished, your system doesn't just pause, it breaks down. That's why so many men wake up feeling older than they are, because the nighttime hours that should be repairing their bodies are actually working against them. This is where so many of my patients feel stuck. They notice the decline, but they don't know what to do about it. Some reach for quick fixes, pills they see online, supplements with big promises, even testosterone shots that might not be right for them. Others simply give up, convincing themselves that this is the way life has to be. But I'm here to tell you that's not true. I've worked with men in their 70s who still wake up sharp, strong, and fully capable. The difference between them and the men who struggle isn't luck or genetics. It's the habits they've built before bed, the rituals that support their bodies instead of draining them. And here's the part that often surprises men the most. What you drink before bed can change everything. Yes, something as simple as a glass in the evening can affect how you perform the next morning. I know that sounds almost too simple, but it's true. Science has shown us that hydration, circulation, and hormone production all depend on what happens in the hours before you fall asleep. Ignore it, and you'll keep waking up groggy, stiff, and unmotivated. Pay attention to it, and you'll begin to feel a surge of energy and strength you thought was gone forever. So, the problem men face after 50 and 60 isn't just that their bodies are changing. It's that they're not giving their bodies the tools to fight back. Every morning you feel weaker isn't a sign of old age. It's a message from your body saying, help me rebuild. And the good news is, you can. You don't have to surrender to decline. You can fuel your nights in a way that restores your mornings. Now, if you've ever wondered why sleep itself plays such a powerful role in how you feel the next day, why some nights leave you broken and others leave you renewed, then you're going to want to hear what comes next. Because the secret isn't just about what your body loses after 60, it's about how you can turn your sleep into the most powerful weapon you have against aging. 2. The importance of sleep and hydration. When I sit down with men in their 60s, one of the first things I ask them is, how well are you sleeping? Almost every time they shrug, smile a little, and say, Doc, I don't sleep like I used to. They think it's just age, something they have to accept. But I know what's really happening. Their bodies are crying out for repair, and they're not giving themselves the chance to heal. Sleep isn't just rest, it's the single most powerful repair system your body has. It's when your testosterone is produced, your blood vessels recover, your muscles regenerate, and your brain clears the fog of the day. It's not optional, it's essential. And yet, so many men are sabotaging themselves every night without even realizing it. The biggest culprit? Dehydration. As we grow older, our sense of thirst diminishes, and our ability to conserve water weakens. That means by the time you feel thirsty, your body is already behind. And if you go to bed in that state, your blood literally thickens. Your heart has to work harder to pump it. Your circulation slows, and your brain, your muscles, and yes, even your sexual organs receive less oxygen and less nutrition. Instead of waking up restored, you wake up drained. I remember one of my patients, a man named Robert, who told me he felt like every morning was a fight just to get going. He assumed it was because he was 71 and thought he had simply worn out. But after a few questions, I realized he was drinking nothing before bed, often ending his evenings with a glass of wine. His body was thirsty and inflamed, and his nights were breaking him down instead of building him up. When I asked him to try something simple, a glass of room temperature water with a pinch of sea salt an hour before bed, he looked at me like I was crazy. But 2 weeks later, he came back shaking his head saying, Doc, I feel like I've taken 10 years off my mornings. That wasn't magic. That was hydration. Sea salt, not table salt, makes the difference. Sea salt contains minerals like magnesium and potassium that help water penetrate your cells, hydrating you at the deepest level. It's not about guzzling gallons of water. It's about drinking smart in the right way at the right time. Just 8 to 10 ounces with a pinch of sea salt 60 to 90 minutes before sleep can change how you feel in the morning. And it's one of the simplest habits you can adopt. What most men don't realize is that hydration sets the stage for every other function of recovery. Without it, your blood vessels stay constricted, your hormones struggle to circulate, and your body can't perform the nightly repair it's designed to do. With it, your system runs like a well-oiled machine, delivering oxygen and nutrients where they are needed most. It's like watering a garden. No matter how